Hi everyone! Welcome to the unboxing and review of the ExoGun DreamPro. You can get this product for about $150. Check out the link in the description. The ExoGun comes with a charging cable, 4 attachments to target all muscle groups, a carrying case and a user manual. First, I fully charged the battery. According to the user manual, you should charge the battery for 6 hours before first using ExoGun, and the average runtime on a full charge is about 4 hours. Operating ExoGun is very easy. You can turn it on by moving the power switch on the bottom of the battery to the on position. With the power button on the device you can activate it and change the levels. The interchangeable massager heads are easy to attach and change. Unfortunately, the user manual doesn't say anything about how to use the different massager heads, so I have to figure it out by myself. Percussion massage is a type of massage that delivers a series of rapid blows that penetrate deep into the soft tissue to promote pain relief, relaxation and tissue repair. This type of massage also improves blood flow and range of motion of the muscle. Most athletes use it to relax their bodies. People who are stressed, those who have body pains, or those who are unable to sleep can use a massage gun to improve their condition. I tested the ExoGun for about 2 weeks and I think it's a very good product. It's easy to use and it's great for my body. So if you're looking for an affordable handheld percussion massager, I would recommend the ExoGun DreamPro. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product, and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.